Hello and welcome to another Naruto kayou unboxing on my channel. Today with the tier 2 box of wave 5. Yeah, we got another wave and a lot of new cards hopefully. Let's see what's inside. I think there is again this special rarity that you only get from tier 2 boxes. Was it the ZR rarity? If I remember correctly. I think it's ZR. They are pretty nice, and they only started with the wave wave 4, I think. Yeah, wave 4 tier 2 boxes. Okay, this is a little bit derpy. Maybe it's just his face. And we start with a nice SSR of Gara. Yeah, an adult Gara. And some rare cards. And again we have the CR rarity. They look a lot like full art cards from Pokemon, or not even full arts. They are more like alternative artworks. They are very rare and yeah, pretty expensive when you want to buy the single card. I have opened, I think, 10 boxes of tier 2, but I never pulled one. I still want to try my hands on one, but it could get pretty difficult. And another SSR of Pain, right? Nagato, Pain. Just an SR. I also have the tier 1 boxes on the way to me. I've ordered them like a month ago when they first released, but somehow they got stuck in customs for, I think, for 10 days plus. I wanted to get a refund to buy another box, but then suddenly the package is moving again, but it's still not here. So another SR. And I think this is, yeah, this is one of the older SRs of Sakura with the number 60. So we get some new cards and some older cards. I hope most of the SSR cards are new, so I don't end up with a lot of duplicates from the older sets. Okay, this is awesome looking. It's just an UR. For a second I thought this is an OR card. Very nice. I really love the cardstock quality from Naruto kayou. It's really, compared to the other cards from AliExpress, it's so much better. My my favorite product to open, I think, from AliExpress. And just another SSR Kankuro. Yeah, I've ordered 4 boxes from one seller, so I wanted to try to pull one CR from this set. I'm not sure what if I want to do another live stream like I did in the past, or if I want just to record a video where I open them. But I think I want to do more live streams because I love to talk with people about collecting cards. I just have nobody in real life to talk about cards, so yeah, I always love to hear what other people are buying or what they have pulled from boxes. So yeah, this is the ZR rarity. Sadly, we got this beautiful young man. At least this is probably what his grandma would tell him, that he is just handsome and too good looking for women. But yeah, at least a ZR card. I hope I get at least one or two more. Don't know if this is too greedy. Okay, have another one. Yeah, and this is the insect guy. I don't know his name. Sorry. Yeah, but I really like the gold effect on these cards. And another SR. I finally bought a binder for my Naruto cards, but I think I need another one if I want to collect the rare and SR cards too. But I'm not really sure if I want to. Or maybe I stick to the higher rarities. If you collect for quite some time, let me know if you are collecting all of the cards or just the higher rarities. And we get a duplicate? Oh, that's sad. Also some... What's this? No, this is just the artwork. I thought this is some kind of factory error. Oh, and a kid Gara building a sandcastle where probably another child is hidden inside and suffocating. Another SR. Maybe I need more light. Like this. Kakashi. And SR Kankuro. Okay, the first AR card. Yeah, they are so nice. I still want to get an Itachi AR card. And another UR card of Sakura. So far I got no OR card. Even, yeah, this is one of my favorite rarity. Maybe they are a little bit more rare in this wave. As Onichi. There aren't so many packs left. So one OR please. No. SSR Orochimaru. Looks a little bit strange. You really need some sunlight for vitamin D. Not very healthy looking guy. Oh, and one more that are Rock Lee. So 3 ZR cards. 2 OR, 1 AR. SR Sasuke. And SSR, what was his name? Oh, I have forgotten. What was his name? Yamato? Am I wrong? Probably. And SR? Just another SR. Only 2 packs left. One more big hit, please. But maybe we are getting some last pack magic. And yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, if you want to see more unboxings, check out my channel and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we end up with, okay, we end up with another ZR card. Yeah, one of the older artworks of Naruto. Really nice artwork. I think we got one SR or SSR card with this artwork, but I'm not sure. So yeah, 4 ZR cards. Sadly no OR. And yeah, 1 duplicate of Gara, but still a nice box. And yeah, see you in my next unboxing. Bye.